So today's topic is burning desire. How many of you have the burning desire in you? I think everyone. 140 करोड़ की आबादी है अपने इंडिया की. And don't you think सारे के सारे everyone would have that desire to do something, to get out of the situation where they are in, or to get out of the job what they don't like doing it. Everyone has desire in their self, but the only difference that makes a person successful is the burning desire, the desire which makes you that makes your nights unsleep, that makes you awake during the night, and that keeps you going. And not only that, it motivates you to do anything, learn each and everything, whatever is required. And the most important part, keep going, irrespective of any challenges coming your way. You keep going, you keep doing it. That's the burning desire. Desire could be anything for everyone. It could be for a child, it could be like to get first rank in the school. When it for a grown-up person, uh, for a teenagers, it could be a successful taking admission into a successful college or graduating with flying colors. For the 20s people, it could be starting a successful business, or might be getting a successful job with a high income, with the high salary. It could be anything. But this desire, this burning desire, you have to, this desire should be keep burning inside your heart. Not only heart, but also in your mind. And that's where people win. When they start taking the initiatives, when they start taking the action and start working whatever they have thought of. Talking about me, even I have started working on my health. I go daily for a long walk, not a gym, just to keep myself healthy. And also, I do a meditation to keep my mind fresh so that I can work for more, for 18 hours, 20 hours. I'm not doing that, but yes, I should be ready enough. Whenever an opportunity comes, you should give your 100%. You should be ready enough to fulfill your desire. Whenever you get the opportunity, just grab it. मेरे स्कूल में एक सर हुआ करते थे. He used to always say,
Yeah.
बस, ट्रेन और कुछ भी, बस, ट्रेन, और उसमें लड़की भी थी, बस, ट्रेन, लड़की और कुछ भी, एक गए तो दूसरे आएंगे. बट एक अपॉर्चुनिटी जब हाथ से चली जाती है तो सबसे ज्यादा दुख होता है. अपॉर्चुनिटी विल डेफिनेटली कम, but the same opportunity will not repeat again. So always at least take a chance, at least give a hit. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा? At least grab that opportunity, at least have the courage to work on it. And that's how people start taking the initiatives. People uh, people fail, but your desire keeps you going. Keep working on it, and that's how people win. In recent days, you might have seen lot of startups that are coming to a successful grade, or uh, any startup which are leading the market. Have you seen anything, any old companies who were leading the market before this pandemic are leading still? There are hardly few. The companies like uh, Byju's and Vedantu in the education market are leading. In gaming also Dreams 11, and in education sector I told you Byju's and all. So these are the new companies which are leading. Even they have started with some initiative, even they have started with that desire of doing something, and that's how that small desire had become a big bomb. So that's how people win. That's how champions of the market are created. That's how winners are formed. That is the only recipe of becoming successful, is take the initiative towards your desire, towards your vision, and start taking small missions towards your vision. That will definitely take you, lead you to somewhere. Thank you, and thank you for listening. Thank you. Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, your speaking style is really amazing. I mean, like burning desire. So I think if you have burning desire, na, then definitely you will achieve that thing. Because like if you have that much burning desire, then automatically you will take action. You cannot stop yourself to take that actions. Automatically you will take actions, and if you will take actions, then you will fail. And when you will fail, that time your burning desires will help you to take that actions again and again, again and again, again and again. And if you will do these things, if you will take actions again and again, again and again, again and again, after failing, then definitely one day you will get so many achievements. And like every person, like there are so many people who have burning, like who have some desires, like they wanted to become something great, like they wanted to do something great, want to achieve something big. But like when they like when they grow up, like after their college time, सो दैट टाइम जो उनका वो बर्निंग डिजायर होता है ना, जो डिजायर होता है ना उनका, वो बहुत कम हो जाता है ड्यू टू सोसाइटीज, ड्यू टू कॉलेज, ड्यू टू फैमिली, ड्यू टू रिलेटिव्स. एंड व्हाट आई स्ट्रांगली बिलीव कि like if you have burning desire, then it's not only enough. You should also have that environment, like like-minded people. You should also read books so that you can maintain that thing and you can achieve everything in your life. So yeah, that's all about this topic. Hello sir, I finished. Hello.
Yes, 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 yes.